In mathematics, calculation holds a major part. In exams also, most students are getting slower down because of calculation. If you can speed up your calculation, you can save much time in exam. Now in this video, I am going to share some tricks of calculation. By using these tricks, you can calculate any calculation within 2 seconds. This is my guarantee. I will share all the tricks of calculation of any operation in total of 9 videos. But in this video, I will share how to find the square of number. How to find the square of any number within only 2 seconds. Students, now in this video, I will share the tricks that how to find the square of any number. Here I will say 3 tricks that all are my favorite, and I always use the tricks whenever I have to find the square of any number, and I challenge that you will take only 2 to 5 seconds. If you will practice more than all the tricks, you can solve it within 2 seconds. So let's start the tricks first. The first trick. If the first trick is applied if the end digit of number is 5. If the number is ending with the 5, then how to find the square of that type of number? Let's take one number, 35. Here the ending digit is 5. So now we will find the square of this number. So to find this type of square, 2 steps we have to do. For the step, the first step is we have to write the square of 5 here. What is the square of 5? That is 25. So first of all, I have to write the square of 5 here. Then after, what is this number? 3. The rest number is 3. What we have to do that? We have to multiply 3 with its next number. What is the next number of 3? 4. And it comes 12. So we have to write the 12 here. So the number we got, that is 1225, which is the square of 35. So as like this, you can solve any number. Look at her. Within 2 seconds, this answer can come. So let's take another number. I will take the 75. Randomly, whatever the number you can take. So here I took the 75. So what is the square of 5? At first, the first step, we have to write the square of 5. What is the square of 5? 25. Then what is the second step? What the rest number? What is the rest number here? 7. And what is the after next number of the rest number? 7 into 8. The rest next number is 8, no? So I have to multiply 7 with 8. What is the result? 5, 6. Write the 5, 6 here. So the result is 5, 6, 2, 5. That is the square of 75. Okay, this was the trick 1. And next come to trick 2. So here we saw how to find the square if the number is ending with 5. But all numbers are not ending in 5. So now let's see what to do for others number. Let's take the another number which is not ending with 5. Let's take the number 78. Okay, I'm taking the number 78. So how to find the square of this type number? Okay, now I have to do the square of this type of number. Here also we have to do 2 steps. So what is the first step? Let's see. In the first step, what we have to do, we have to write the square of this first digit. What is this digit? 8. What is the square? 64. Then we have to write the square of this digit. What is the square? 7 square is 49. Okay, 8 into 8 is 64, 7 into 7 is 49. What number I got? 4964. Then in this number, we have to add the multiplied number, the multiplication of this whole. 7 into 8 into 2. 7 into 8 is 56. And 56 into 2, 112. So we have to add this number here. Okay, now let's do the second step. what is the second step? I told we have to multiply all this number, that is 7 into 8 into 2, 7 into 8 into 2. What is that? 7 into 8, 56 into 2, 112. And we have to add 112 such that I will leave this space and I will write here the remaining digit. I will write. We have to leave this part. We have to leave the first digit place. Then after I have to write this. Then what is the result? When I will add these two, 4, 6, 2, 8, 9, 1, 10, 1, 4, 6. So this is the square of this 78 square is 6084. Okay, this is the second trick. Then I will take the another digit. Let's take the digit 47, square of 47. Let's do the same thing. 40 the square of 7, 49. 40 the square of 4, 16. Then what we have to do? We have to multiply all these things, all these digits. 4 into 7 into 2. That is 4 into 7, 28 into 2, 56. Then we have to add 56 with this number. But one thing we have to consider, that we have to leave this space, the first digit space. Then the remaining digit 56. Remaining digit right here 56. Then we have to add this 9, 6, 10, 10, 6, 4, 10, 6, 6, 12, 2, 2, 2, 0, 9. This is the square of 47 square. Okay, this is the very simple trick. And now come to the next trick, that is trick number 3. And this is my favorite trick. I always use this. Now I will say the trick 3. That is, I'll write trick 3. And this trick is for that number which number is nearest to 50. If one number is if the number is nearest to 50, then how can we find the square of that number? Suppose take one number nearest to 50. Suppose I am taking 47. Okay, so I am taking 47 and I have to find the square of 47. So how to do? This is the very easiest trick and my favorite trick also. So in this trick, what we have to do? The first thing, one number 25. We have to fix this number in our mind. The number is 25. We have to fix the number 25 in our mind at first. Then this is very much simple trick. We have to compare that this number is how much smaller than or greater than the number 50. And look at here, in this 47 is 3 lesser than 50. We know already 47 is 3 lesser than 50. Then the number, how much it is lesser or greater than 50, square, take the square of that number. Okay, this is the first step. So what is the step 1 in this trick? The step 1 is the number of what we have to square, that number is how much smaller or greater than 50. So here 47 is 3 smaller than 50. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to take the square of this number, that is number of 3, that is 9. The square of 3 is 9. So we got the number 9. But one thing we have to remember, that in this type of things, in this type of digit, if the resultant digit is coming what in a single digit, then we have to put 1 0 before that, and we have to make this in double digit. This is one thing we have to remember. In the previous trick also, in some cases we can get the single digit number, but we have to put 0 before that, so that we can get the double digit. Okay, then the difference is 3 and I took the square of this number 3. Then what is the next? This number in the second step, this is the first step, and then the second step we have to subtract this number. If this number is lesser than the 50, then we have to subtract this number from 25. If this number is greater than the 50, then we have to add this number with 25. Here the 47 is the lesser than 50, so you have to subtract 3. How much lesser than 3? So we have to subtract 3 from 25. What is the resultant? 22. You have to write this 22. So the resultant is 2209, which is the square of 47. Okay, let's take the another example, 52. Okay, let's take the another example, 52. You have to find the square of 52. So first one number you have to keep in the mind, that is 25, and next thing we have to compare this number by 50. So how much it is greater or lesser than the 50? That is, the 52 is 2 greater than 50. Okay, 2 greater than 50. Okay, so what is the first step we have to do? Step 1, that is, we have to take the square of this number. What is the square of 2? That is 4. Then how much it is greater? 2. So what we have to do? It is it became the 1 digit number. So to make this 2 digit, we have to put 0. I told previously in this. So then what is the second step? We have to, here the 52 is greater than 50. By how much? By 2. So here we have to add this number with 25. So 25 plus 2, that is 27. So take this number with this, 2704. So we got the number 2704, which is the square of 52. Okay, then so look at here, this is the very simple trick, and by this trick we can get the solution within 2 seconds if we will practice. So let's take how to make the make within 3 seconds, within 2 seconds. I will do it in speed. So 53, I will take the number 53. How much it is? 53 square of 53. So how much it is greater than 50? 3. So what is 3 square? 9. 0, 9. Then 5. And 3 is this is greater than 3. Greater than by 3. So we have to add 3 with 25. We'll go to 809, which is the square of 53. Okay, so this is the trick. So I'm giving some questions, some square. 42, we have to find this 42 square, 57 square, 38 square. Do these 3 questions and answer this in the comment section. If your answer is right, then I will give 1 like there. Okay, thank you.